Have you ever felt like you're constantly being overlooked or not taken seriously? Meet Sarah, a young woman who found herself in that exact situation. Despite her hard work and dedication, she struggled to gain the respect she deserved from those around her. One day, feeling frustrated and determined to make a change, Sarah decided to seek advice from an unexpected source. Her wise grandmother, Eleanor, sitting in Eleanor's cozy living room surrounded by the comforting scent of freshly baked cookies, Sarah poured her heart out. "Grandma, I just don't understand why people don't respect me," Sarah lamented. Eleanor smiled gently and handed Sarah a warm cookie. "Respect is earned, my dear, not given freely. To make people respect you more, you must first respect yourself." Sarah furrowed her brow, intrigued by her grandmother's words. Eleanor continued, "Confidence is key. Stand tall, speak your mind, and believe in yourself. People are drawn to those who exude self-assurance." Taking her grandmother's advice to heart, Sarah began to make subtle changes in her demeanor. She spoke up more in meetings at work, offered her opinions with conviction, and carried herself with a newfound air of confidence. To her surprise, Sarah noticed a shift in how others perceived her. Her colleagues started listening more attentively to her ideas. Her friends sought out her advice, and even strangers seemed to treat her with more respect. Emboldened by this positive feedback, Sarah sought out new challenges to further prove her capabilities. She took on projects outside her comfort zone, volunteered for leadership roles, and approached each task with determination and enthusiasm. As weeks turned into months, Sarah's transformation was undeniable. She had blossomed into a confident, respected individual who inspired others with her unwavering self-assurance. One day, while reflecting on her journey with Eleanor over a fresh batch of cookies, Sarah realized the true secret to earning respect. It wasn't about changing who she was to please others, but rather embracing her authentic self wholeheartedly. With a grateful smile, Sarah thanked her grandmother for the invaluable lesson she had learned. Eleanor simply patted her hand and said, "Remember, dear, the greatest respect you can receive is the one you give yourself." And so, armed with newfound confidence and self-respect, Sarah continued on her path of self-discovery, inspiring others to do the same along the way.